Drake, this is plant number 2. Here they are processing tuberose, and the stills are 1, 2, and 3. 3 stills, sir.
Yes, sir.
There are only 3 stills for tuberose. Okay, so this is nothing to concern with us.
The idea is, see, when the flower quantity, see, all these agriculture producer we have a season. When we get more quantity, we will convert everything into all the plants for single product. When the quantity goes down, we utilize it for some other product.
Okay.
We don't exclusively keep it for same product.
Same tuberose.
See, when during peak jasmine season, we use 2 plants for jasmine. When during peak sambat season, sambat will give, I can say, it is spurt. Suddenly you will get 5 tons a day, then next day it will go to 0. That is the nature of sambat. So when we get 5 tons, we use all 4 plants for sambat. So during sambat season, we keep all the plants for sambat.
Okay.
When the quantity goes down after June, sambat will naturally go down, and the grandiflorum season will start. We will start 1 plant first for grandiflorum. Until it touches the peak, we use other plants for other products. So it is only for utilization purpose.
Okay, sir. Distillation.
This is only glass concrete finishing unit.
Sir,
it is a concrete finishing unit in glass.
Made out of glass.
Okay. This is ideal because we can see what is happening inside. If you don't know, so I have made it in stainless steel.
Completely in stainless steel.
More volume. And there is the risk glass.
What
it will break.
Okay.
There is no risk. So I have made stainless steel convertment.
Drake, actually, this is a small pilot project, right? It's a pilot project. He has made it out of glass, but the same structure he has made it out of stainless steel here, which you can see. You can just compare both. It's both are the same things. So it's just a pilot plant for.
No. This is a concrete finishing unit. Concrete or absolute making unit.
Concrete or absolute making unit.
See, in our plant, we make the extraction. We concentrate the solvent.
Okay.
We concentrate to the, say, when you put 1 ton of jasmine, we take out the concentrate of about 40 liters. So we use 6,000 liters of hexane to process 1 ton of hexane.
So that's a very important point. What he's trying to actually, the main task for me to come here is to know.
We use 6,000 liters of hexane to process 1 to 1.25 tons of flour. We distill that solvent. We concentrate that hexane to the level of about 40 liters. Then we take it out. We cool it. Again, we take it to the laboratory. We filter. Then finish it in the finishing equipment. This is a finishing equipment. This is a glass. This is a stainless steel.
Okay, sir. Sir, loss of hexane, sir. Can you just give a brief idea about hexane?
When you process 1 ton of flour, we will be losing about 15%. That is 15% to the weight of the flour. That is 150 liters. 15% to the quantity of the flour.
This is normal. Every time you use the same percentage.
We keep a standard. It varies from 12 to 15%, but we maintain it within 12 to 15%.
You also reuse the same hexane ones.
Okay. And after extraction, we do stripping of the hexane, the spent flowers. See, in the shirt it will move something. Shirt, we dip and it absorbs some water.
Okay.
So, that is a loss for you. Like that, flower also absorbs some hexane, it is a loss for us. So after completing all the process, we inject steam into the flowers. We recover maximum hexane. If you don't recover hexane, then your hexane loss will be, say, I could say 50%. You lose more.
Okay.
So we recover hexane. That hexane is again rectified. We purify the hexane and reuse it.
Okay, sir.
So the loss in the sense after.
So what is the role of the hexane with the quality, sir?
See, hexane.
Can you manipulate the hexane quality?
Hexane quality plays a major role in your quality. See, we buy food grade hexane from refineries, either IOC or HPC, BPC. They sell it as a food grade hexane, and it is being taken by edible oil manufacturers, and they straight away use it because they sell it as a food grade. But our quality is much more precious. Uniform. See, our product is precious one. We cannot use hexane which we are buying from refinery directly. We rectify it. We use the pack column to rectify it. This is the rectification.
Rick, this is an ISO certification of the company. You can see here. Okay, so it's an ISO certified company.
We are ISO 9001 of 2008 and COSAT certified company.
Okay, sir.
You have been a COSAT certificate.
They have a standard European province.
This is hexane rectification.
Rick, it's so tall. You can see it. It's a hexane rectification.
Yes, the hexane which we are buying from refinery, we purify it.
That is, you purify it for 3 times, right?
No, once.
Once.
Rectification is done for once.
Once, okay. But initially when you buy it, you distill it for 3 times.
No, only once.
Once.
When we do extraction, we give 3 washes.
3 washes. Okay. So explain.
See, to make absolute, we have to grind concrete. So this is a concrete grinding process.
Rick, you can see the machine which is grinding the concrete.
To make absolute.
To make absolute.
These are our deep freezers. These are all the deep freezers. And all the hits. All plus macerated concrete with deep freezing.
Deep freezers.
Sambak absolute production is going on.
Sir,
See, in this glass apparatus we are producing Jasmine Sambak absolute. The distillation is going on in a glass apparatus.
Then distilled water, sir.
This is distillate with alcohol written on the concentrate. That is hexane, alcohol plus sambak extract.
Extract, okay.
Oil வந்து இதில் தான் நிற்கும். எல்லாம் டிஸ்டில் வெளியில் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் அந்த ஆயில் மட்டும் தனியாக எடுத்து வெளியில் ஊற்றுறோம். Oil will stay here. This is distillation, only the alcohol will go.
Okay.
So CO2 process. CO2 process is an expensive.
But highly effective.
Highly effective, that will give different quality, better yield.
Just give him one statement that you are not doing it through CO2 because the mail he has mentioned it. He has misunderstood the concept. Just explain him that you are not doing it with CO2 but with
we are producing absolutes by using rectified spirit only. We are not using CO2 extraction process.
Okay, sir. Rick, this is to make you understand that he is not doing it with CO2. CO2 is normally done by the pharmaceutical companies. They buy the concrete and then they do it. But as far as Loganathan is concerned, he is not doing it. He is doing it lively on spirit, right?
Yeah,
Rectified spirit. Okay?
இந்த கான்கிரீட்ஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு நாள் பண்ணும்போது நாங்கள் ஒரு பேட்ச் ஸ்டிக்கர் போட்டு வச்சிருவோம்.
English.
See, when we produce concrete, every day we finish one batch, say about 10 to 20 kilos per day. We label it and keep it in stock. When a customer wants bulk quantity or 50 kilos, 20 kilos, whatever they want, we bulk these concretes and give a lot sample. And we keep the lot separately for the customer. So these are all every day's production with labels.
So when a customer asks for 100 kgs, you take everything from each.
No, we take necessary quantity and bulk it.
Okay. So you stock almost 100 kgs for.
Yeah, if you want 100 kilos, then we have to stock 100 kilos.
Okay. So, sir, okay, not right now.
This is the Jasmine concrete.
Rick, this is the Jasmine concrete, and you have the weighing machine here. See?
We are
They
taking
knew
the
that already.
samples to Mr. Rick.
Oh, this is the sample which is getting ready for you. And see, they are using the spatulas and all those things, all in stainless steel as per your requirement. Rick, this is the Sambak concrete. Rick, you can see just he has just stocked everything here. That is as per his old version. He said that it is something like 100 kgs of grandiflorum and 5 kgs of Sambak, which is being stocked here. So I'll just take him into the room and then I will ask him about what is his requirement in Belgium. But before that, the concept which we both did not understand was the concrete concept. That is how they stock it and how they give a batch, sample batch. Lot sample. So out of this, say it is, say this portion has 100 kgs. If you want 100 kgs of lot sample, they take from each.
No, we bulk all the tins together and
Okay.
give the sample.
They mix everything together, and then the mixer is that one.
No, that is a grinding machine.
Grinding
We
machine.
put it in a vessel.
Vessel and you
we
just mix it.
It's a
So in case if you are asking, see for example,
10 kilos means we take 2 tins or 3 tins.
Drake, you can see here it is written as 5 kgs, and see here it is written 5 kgs concrete, Jasmine concrete, that is grandiflorum, and finished on date so and so. So then you below that you have another sample saying that it is finished on 4/12. Okay, and this is also 5 kgs. For example, now you are going to ask for 10 kgs. They mix these both together. They mix these both together, and then they will give you a sample from that. So with that, you have to find out whether it's suiting you. If it is not suiting you, then you have to give it to your local market in Belgium. Okay. So this, I think, you have understood it perfectly. As per Mr. Loganathan has explained it to you earlier. So this is what we did not understand, which is now cleared after coming to Coimbatore. Drick, you can just notice here, all the concretes are being stored in aluminium. Remember, we had a conversation between aluminium and stainless steel. So, sir, how many years you are into this field, sir?
Since 1985.
1985. So it's almost 85.
6 years.
20?
6 years.
26 years he is into this field. And he says he uses the aluminium cans to store
Concrete, yes,
concrete.
yes, absolute. Also, we use aluminum bottles like this. This is a tube rose absolute.
Okay. Drick, and one more problem which you already told in Coimbatore about, what is it, CCF, right? There's the packing was something like this, I said, right? I do not remember what problem you talked to me, but I'm just remembering after seeing this. Yes, sir.
This is the absolute. Jasmine absolute.
Jasmine absolute.
Grandiflorum absolute.
It is southern test tube, then, sir.
Test tube தான் வச்சிருக்கேன்.
Oh.
ஏன்னா
Evaporate ஆகாதா, sir?
Clarity பாக இது mostly evaporate ஆகாது because unless you see perfumeryல பாத்தீங்கன்னா if you take the case of perfume இதுல வந்து 1 ml தான் அப்சல்யூட் இருக்கு, மிச்சம் 59 ml வந்து 60 ml ல பார்த்தா 59 ml aromatic chemicals தான் இருக்கு.
ஐயோ எங்க போச்சு? Background இதுல இருந்து. Drake, you can see Jasmine absolute. I'm a bit scared, my hands are shaking. What is the worth of this, sir?
This is about 3 grams. 3 grams means today's price about $10.
$10. You can see there's a batch number there, and you can also see how it's into a test tube here. Okay.